Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today I'm aboard our brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. This is in our beautiful Abaco blue hull, which you'll see from the pictures, and a fantastic layout aboard this 8'6" beam boat with a 24 length overall. This boat is very versatile for water sports, for fishing, for family cruising, sandbar hopping, and dock and dining. And we'll go through the layout on here from the back of the transom to start. We have the Mercury 300 V8 in white. Plenty of horsepower, gets you up to 50 miles an hour top end speed. Lots of torque for all your water sports, and then great to get out to your favorite fishing destinations. Really nice walk-through swim platform to get you through the transom door, and you can walk around on both sides, so easy to get on and off from the dock on both sides. And then right when you step on, you have a really nice cockpit area for fishing, for storing coolers, beach chairs, everything else. And then a very, very deep aft bench seat that pulls out, but then shuts back up easily to give you an aft coming bolster for fishing, leaning up against, or anything else on the boat. Standard live well on the back. That comes with the fishing package. You have two rod holders on the sides, and then some in-gunnel rod holders as well. Coming bolsters throughout the entire boat, so very comfortable when you're leaning up against. Yacht style cleating, another nice feature with the 240 Vantage. And then you have some tray areas and tow rails down below, which give you some good safety aspects when you're fishing or grabbing dock lines out. We have this outfitted with the weather curtain package, which is nice for a day like today. Nice outside, but a little bit of a breeze, so it can cut down on that while you're cruising. And we have the Corian countertop storage area, and there's a nice space to put a trash can underneath for storage, and then a tackle drawer, and then a nice Corian countertop for putting out appetizers or drinks or anything else while you're on board. Port side, we have the reverse piloting seat, so this will go forward and aft for your layout. Really nice lounging. We'll give you a backrest that pops out here. And then you have the forward reverse lounging, storage underneath, and then you have a cooler storage here with a drain. So I like that seating to where you can have it as a leaning post and then have people sitting on both sides. Port side, we have the really nice head area. This is a vacuum flush head with overboard discharge, has a sink, and just very easy to get in and out. Also have our storage cover for the entire boat, and legs all being able to be stored down there easily. On the starboard side, beautiful helm display. This is the acrylic dash with the deluxe helm package, 12-inch Simrad GPS chart plotter. This will have all your integrated controls built into the Simrad, and then you have your external rocker switches with LED lights. JL audio system have a external head unit, as well as being able to be controlled inside the Simrad unit. VHF radio, digital throttle and shift with your automatic trim system for your motor on the boat, and then your Lenco LED trim tabs on here as well. Coming forward, I have the weather curtain set pulled up so you can get through, but you'll have a windshield and a windscreen. Will block everything off once you're underway and want to close everything up to keep people comfortable. On starboard side underneath the helm, we have really nice storage in here. We have a bow shade option on this boat, so you'll have two poles, and then a bow shade will clip to the hardtop, and then trash can down here will be able to be easily accessed from the exterior. Also, another really nice storage piece, a garage door opening at this seat that will give you your secondary access. So storage is great if you can have access to it, and this gives you really, really nice ability on here. Your forward seating up here is very deep and comfortable. We have the filler cushion put in right now. We have a teak bow table that will go into a bracket to give you some bow table access on here. And then up on the bow, we have the swim ladder plus windlass anchor. This will have a remote that you can do from the bow or from the helm. And I love the placement of all this. Is very clean, through hole windlass anchor, not on top deck, so you can step on and off the boat from the bow easily, and then nod skid here to be able to get on and off the boat. Fish box underneath me, so again, All your activities can be completed on this boat. Such a great layout again, and a very, very safe, comfortable boat for all your adventures. So if you'd like to see this boat again, this is our 2026 Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. Again, my name is Chris Honig with MarineMax. I can be reached at 910-256-8100 and hope to get you out in the water soon.